Let's see what's in this bin!
Ugh, what a day! Whoa, girl, what are you doing?
Look what I found!
Ew, gross!
Can I try it?
No way! Yuck! Guess we're going all natural. First, let's pop in some chamomile. Now a twig, gelatin, and melt it down. Done! So pretty! Here you go!
Whoa! This looks yummy!
Now that's better! Tea time!
I love soccer! Penalty time! Yeah! The whole stadium's watching! Let's go! Goal!
Come here, young lady. What was that about?
Sorry!
Oh, this is so heavy. Oh, I brought fruit. Hold up. Actually, I got this. This crate might come in handy. Let's put some cardboard on the bottom. Now let's paint it green all over. Add some white lines here. Just like a real field. Perfect! Next, grab these pipes. Slide them in like this. Now some clothespins. Stick them right on the side like this. It's done! Looks awesome! Wanna play?
Whoa!
Here's your ball substitute.
Cool! Let's do this!
Ooh, this is so fun!
You've got no chance, Mom!
Goal! I'm the champ! Go, Mom! Go, Mom!
Rematch time!
Let's get artsy! Nice! Wait, huh? Oh, wanna draw a bit?
Nope!
Enough phone time! Draw with me instead.
Oh, fine. Let's do this.
Make what you love most.
Okay.
Look! Huh?
I love my phone! Give me it back!
No!
I hate drawing. I'm scared!
Okay, I got a flashlight.
Phew. Okay.
It even helps us trace. Look, outline your doll.
Whoa! Okay, I can do that. Careful. Just like that. Cool!
You're doing amazing! All done! Show me!
Kinda nailed it. What do you think?
Wow, it's great!
Time to color! Let's dig in! Oh yeah!
Report's almost done.
Ooh! Whoa! What's that? So cool!
Huh?
Epic find! Let's play! La 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 la!
Gotta do something. Oh, I know. Hey, sweetie.
What?
Check out this birdie. Let's get started. First, grab some random rocks. Paint them gold like this. Ooh, that looks awesome! Like real gold. Love it! And here's a treasure map. Sweetie!
Huh? What's this? Whoa! Cool! Gotta change the look. You ready, buddy? Let's go!
Time to bury treasure. Hide it deep. There we go.
Now let's hunt.
Wrong way! Come back!
Okay, this way. I'm lost. Wait! Now I get it.
Oh, thank goodness you're back. Try here.
Okay, let's go. Treasure's gotta be at the bottom. Oh, Mom!
Try using this.
Alright, let's scoop and sift. I think I found something! Whoa! It's gold! Awesome! I'm rich now! Yes!
Nice job.
Spin faster!
Oh!
Oops! Mom, new toy, please.
Here you go.
Whoa! This yo-yo's sick! Spin, spin, spin!
Oh my gosh! Let me help. Hang on.
Whoa!
Another day, another mess. Yikes! What a disaster! Let's clean up.
Whoa! New stuff to play with! Nice! I can use this! Mom, can I borrow this page? Oh yeah! Let's do this! First, cut it like this. Now stick the lid on here and glue a ball on the back. Done! So cool! Let's test it! Spinning like crazy! Yay! Mom, look!
Whoa! Awesome job, honey!
I made one for you, too!
Amazing! Let's spin them! Awesome job! And that's why we need to…
I'm bored of this toy! These two! Bye-bye!
Ouch!
Oopsie!
What the heck?
My bad.
Don't just toss toys around! What to do? Oh, got it! Hey, kiddo! Let me borrow your tea! Ugh, it's cold!
No way!
Perfect! Slip the t-shirt over this plastic stool. Flip it upside down. And done! You can throw all your toys in here.
Whoa! Okay, I'll try. It works! So cool!
Nice job!
Mom, I'm starving.
Gotcha, sweetie. Here you go.
Veggies? No thanks. I want something else.
How about shrimp? So tasty!
Nope.
Ugh, kids these days.
Here, I want pizza.
Alright, I'll order some.
Yay!
Your order's here.
Whoa! This box is huge! No!
Relax, sweetie, I got this. First, take out the slices. Now cut the box. Put some slices here. Fold it like this. Close it up. And done. Way better size.
Wow, so handy! Here, have a slice.
Thanks, hon.
Yum! So good!
It's so bright in here. Time for my sunnies. Ooh, my faves.
Whoa, so shiny! Can I wear them, please?
Fine.
Yes! Now I can stare at the sun! Oh, too bright. Wait, where did the glasses go?
Don't worry, honey. I'll need more shades. Thanks.
That was fast! Cool!
Wow, so pretty. Huh? What's up?
Let me play with those, please!
All right.
Wow, awesome!
Careful, sweetie. Let's tighten them up. There we go. Much better.
Sweet! Playtime now! Yay!
Oh, wow. She's such a wild one.
Fastest girl ever! Oops! Whoa! Think I crashed into something.
Oh, another pair of broken glasses. Let's fix it. Tie one side of the scarf here, like that. Now the other side. Done. Try it on, sweetie. Put the glasses on now.
Sweet! Now they stay on! Oh, yeah!